In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table border in Google Slides. This quick and easy process can really help clean up your presentation and give it a more polished look. Let's take it step by step together. First things first, you need to access Google Slides. This can be done by navigating to your preferred browser and typing in the URL for Google Slides, or simply searching for it. Make sure that you're signed into your Google account so everything is in sync. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in using your credentials. Once you've done that, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Now, you have some options here. You can either start with a blank presentation or choose a template. If you're demonstrating something on an existing presentation, simply open that file. But if you're just experimenting and learning how to do this, feel free to start fresh with a blank canvas or use a template that best suits your needs. Once you have your presentation open, the next step is to insert a table or simply select an existing one within your slides. To select the table, just click anywhere on it. When the table is selected, you'll notice that a menu appears at the top with different options. This is where most of the table customization tools are located. Now let's focus on the border color, because changing this to transparent will effectively remove the border visibility. In the menu, you'll see an option labeled border color. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be greeted by a variety of color choices, but to delete the border, you need to look for the color labeled transparent. It's usually represented by a grey and white checkerboard pattern that indicates no color. Clicking on the transparent option will remove the visible border from the table, integrating it more seamlessly into your slide. Voila! Your table border should now be invisible, offering a cleaner look without those dividing lines. Remember, this is a reversible action. So if you decide at any point that you need those borders back, you can simply revisit the border color settings and choose a color that fits your design. You've not only learned how to delete table borders in Google Slides, but also how to adjust border colors in general, knowledge that could be handy in future presentations. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your slide looks more professional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this little tutorial was helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Google Slides and other tools.